Hi, in this video, we're going to take a look at how you can delete a picture in a note in the Notes app on your iPhone 12 or the iPhone 12 Pro. So first, let's go back to your home screen by swiping up at the bottom of the screen. On the home screen, open up your Notes application. In Notes, I'm going to open up the Notes account. And then open up the Notes that has the folder that you want to delete. To delete a photo, all you have to do is just touch and hold onto the photo. On the pop-up menu, tap on the delete button. And that's it. Now you have successfully deleted a picture in a note. And finally, you can tap on the back key to save the changes. Swipe up to go back to the home screen. Thank you for watching this video. Please subscribe to my channel for more videos.